Hello Galactic family. A very important development occurred on March 27, 2017 around 12 o'clock Pacific. A huge matrix of false light has been deactivated from the planetary surface, with connections to the Moon and Saturn. This false light matrix has been masked as a benevolent/spiritual ET contact for millennia and is as old as the soul recycling trap technology of the surface population that returns to incarnate repeatedly. Earth's moon is a natural satellite brought here from elsewhere. A technology was placed within it physically and etherically. Its orbit was locked at a non-rotating point of Lagrange, directing the satellite's manipulative energy to Earth's gravimetric/magnetic etheric field. Once locked in place, an artificial vortex was induced, sucking everything in the astral with the resonance of the source for this machine of reincarnation. The result was that if someone on the surface of the planet died, their soul would not be able to escape the gravity of this energetic vortex and would be pulled into the controlled layers of the astral/fourth lower dimension where preconditions of religious beliefs would define and which simulation would be placed. After a period of rest, some guides informed that they have more lessons to learn, actions to be undone and more things to accomplish on the planet, and the soul will blindly accept another incarnation. The only problem is that they receive an extremely strong etheric and electric shock before reincarnating, thus forgetting everything they have learned before beginning another human experience. Once in amnesia, matrix programming creates more than enough trauma to insert the etheric implantation systems into the body, and the feeding cycle begins again until the person dies, reincarnates, is fed, dies, reincarnates, etc. Here is the big difference from then on. With the removal of this matrix of false light, the vortex is no longer working. Let me repeat, that vortex is not more operational. People are dying every second of the planet, and instead of being pulled into the tunnel, they are moving to the higher and clean levels of the astral/fourth dimension and are receiving the true healing. The children who are born hereafter will change the face of this planet energetically. This is a dividing line. The darkness is disappearing faster than before, and now, well, now they can no longer replenish the ranks of their food. Let us remember many things again, gradually. This does not even cover what is happening to Saturn now. Saturn is the darkness that locked us in time. Saturn is the circle in the infinite flow of now. Saturn is responsible for how we experience time today, rather than multidimensionally. The machine is still working, but the main timeline manipulation capabilities are no longer functional. Darkness can no longer go back in time and remove threats when they arise in the now. No more will the next person wake up and try to destroy the matrix around her being eliminated by killing her parents 20 years before she was born. It will happen no more than someone manifesting their perfect reality, to immediately wake up completely disoriented from an incredibly vivid dream that she felt she was for years. It will not happen anymore that someone develops a free energy device, and have all of their work seemingly stolen out of nowhere, without giving clues or suggestions to the outside world about what it was developing. Planners all over the world will connect with your guide and will not find anyone if it was fake, or they will actually find the serious entity they hooked up before they are blocked. Men, women and children all over the planet are assuming their divine right of personal freedom and sovereignty, but we still do not have enough. These events are surprising and pleasing to hear what are happening, but we still do not have enough people to wake up and turn on the light. We came here to do this work. We come here completely blind, ignorant and weak to remind us of the light, to find it in ourselves and to spread it to the world around us. You are part of this change. When was the last time you sat in silence and connected with your interior? When was the last time you talked to your body, letting it know through words and feelings, that you truly love and appreciate it for allowing you to experience this reality? When was the last time you hung up the phone, closed the computer and sat quietly with only your thoughts? When was the last time you had a question, and immediately thought, what will this person think about it? Without entering into your inner silence and asking the most important question, how do I feel about this? When was the last time you trusted yourself? The change is coming. We are the change. Go inside. Find the light. Connect it and spread it to the world. Shine through yourself, filling your body with golden waves of pure love. See the humanity for what it is, not for what it seems to be. It is coming, there is no escape from this change. Let's bring it as fast and as powerfully as possible. The lines are stretching. The inner circles of this esoteric information are growing. The sleeping people behind the wheel are finding the information and are starting to wake up. Your job is to be a beacon to light the way to information. In love,